Let's try this again. Okay. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Uzoma. You can call me Uzi or Uzo, whatever your heart wishes to call me. If you are just coming back, then welcome back. Can I first start by thanking you guys for the amount of views that I got on my first hair video and my second one. Like, it got a lot. To this day I can't believe how many views that video got, but I'm so thankful for you guys. It kind of shows me what you guys like to see, and obviously that's natural hair stuff in it. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I treat my dry, brittle, crusty, dusty, full C hair. Today we're here to fix that and show you guys how to infuse that moisture back into your hair. And at the end, I'm gonna be having a hair journey that I want you guys to partake in, especially to grow long, healthy hair. And yeah, just stay tuned to the end to find out all the, you know, what it entails and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, let's get into the video. This is my hair now. I'm just gonna show you guys what I do when how I moisturize my hair and how I keep moisture in my hair for like a good 3 to 4 days. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting with a leave-in conditioner, which I made myself. It consists of conditioner, water, and a bit of tea tree oil. And then, as you can see, I'm sealing in that moisture with olive oil and castor oil. After that, I then go on to moisturize my hair, and I'm using the Beautiful Textures defining pudding, going again with the spray and just rubbing that into my hair. And now what I'm doing is using a wide tooth comb and combing that through my hair from the bottom to the top thoroughly. This helps to distribute the product, and as you can see already, my hair looks much softer, and if you could feel it right now, it feels incredibly soft. And I'm just going to repeat that all over my head, and that is simply the routine. Just leave-in conditioner, castor oil, and your cream of choice, and that's just it. Yo, if you guys could feel my hair right now, it is so soft. Yo, and this is what came out. Give you a quick close-up. Look at that. Basically what it is I want to do a hair journey for this year that will allow my natural hair to grow even healthier, even longer, even thicker, all that good stuff, because recently I've been neglecting my hair. Like, honestly, I just stuff it under a wig and that is the last I hear of it, and my hair doesn't like that. So I'm trying to incorporate more care, you know, more of this kind of TLC to my natural hair, because it needs it, okay? It needs it, especially because it's full C. It needs that extra maintenance, that extra work. Like, yo, if you guys could feel, like, do you want to touch it? Do you want to feel? Do you want to feel? You can't. What I'm doing is, this month, January, I am just going to leave out my natural hair. No wigs, no weaves, no cornrows, like just my natural hair out. Low maintenance hairstyles, like this is just low maintenance. Just comb it out and tie a puff and you're good to go. Just stuff like that. Twist out. I don't really do twist outs or like bantu knots, but I'm gonna try that. And when I experiment, I'm gonna record it so you guys can like experiment with me. I'm gonna have like a month of natural hair. So for example, January natural hair, and then February I'm gonna have a protective hairstyle. So it could be braids, could be twists, could be crochet braids, could be weave, wig, whatever. And then March, a whole month of March for my natural hair, whole month of April for another protective style, May, June, July down to December. So in essence, 6 months I'm gonna have my natural hair out, not back to back, but you know, after every other month. And then 6 months I'm gonna have a protective style. So that's what I want to do for this year. Excited to go on this journey and to show you guys the hairstyles that I come up with, because a lot of people like want to know how to style their natural hair and also want ideas on, you know, protective hairstyles to protect your hair with. And that's really it for this journey. I was supposed to do a length check, but my hair is really in a puff right now, so yeah, if you guys want to join in, you can. Obviously, it's for the whole year of 2018, so be prepared. I'm excited. And also this goes hand in hand with drinking a lot of water, because this right here, this baby right here, promotion, this baby right here is gonna help. That is it for my hair journey. I want you guys to let me know what kind of hairstyles you want, what kind of hairstyles you're expecting, what ideas you have, because I have a few, but I want some more, like more creative ones, you get me, not the typical hairstyles. And yeah, just comment down what hairstyles you want to see. Give this video a like if you liked it. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay slaying.